Okay, that's the pick used in the boxer. We're going to build up to that. So what we need to do is the 4/4 pick. We'll put down an A minor chord to make it easy. So with the A minor chord, we're going to play the first exercise. Is we're going to play the middle 4 strings. We're not going to play the bottom string. Okay, so we're using the thumb and these 2 fingers only. The thumb goes on the 5th string and alternates between the 5th and the 4th. This is for A minor. When we change to an E or a G, it goes from the 6th to the 4th, like this. So for the A minor, we go from the 5th to the 4th. Then we use the index finger on string 3 and the Johnny Cash finger on string 2. So what we want to try and do is we want to create a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So if we just do an alternating bass using the thumb, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. So that gives us the alternating bass on the thumb. So the pick we're going to do in this first exercise is this one. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. I'll slow it all the way down so you can see how it goes. That strum only uses the middle 4 strings for the A minor. Now we do a variation where instead of using these 2 fingers, we use these 2 fingers. So these 2 fingers sit on the 2nd and 1st strings, and this one's not used. So once you've done this with the middle 4 strings, we now need to change to the new variation. So we do thumb, thumb, and thumb, and thumb, and thumb, thumb, and. So it's just exactly the same, except we're using these 2 fingers instead of these 2 fingers. These 2 fingers with the first pattern, these 2 fingers on these 2 strings for the second pattern. With the E, just move the chord shape to the E. Now we do exactly the same thing, except we use strings 6 and 4 for the thumb. One, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, for the final variation, I'm going to show you when we start the strum, we start the pick, go back to the A minor shape now. So we're using the second variation, which is these 2 middle fingers on the bottom 2 strings. variation here is on the 1, instead of just doing the thumb, we actually pick simultaneously the thumb and the bottom string. Pinch. Pinch like that. So it's pinch, thumb, pinch, pinch, pinch. So if I do that pick, first of all without the pinch, and then just put a few pinches in, we can see the variations going. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that pick using middle 2 fingers, and I'm going to put the occasional pinch in on the 1. So it's 1, so it's pinch, 2 and 3 and 4 and pinch, 2 and 3 and 4 and pinch, 2 and 3 and 4 and pinch. And then sometimes I'm just not going to do the pinch, so I'm just going to do the thumb. So I'll combine those now. Changing the chords. If we were to play a D, which uses the 4th string as the bass, alternating between the 4th and the 3rd, it would look like this. And pinch. Back to the A minor. Pinch, pinch, no pinch, to the E, pinch, pinch. On the E we're always pinching bottom string and the root note. There. That's it for now.